Sniply honest review watch before using. Most people get link shorteners wrong. They think they just shorten URLs. Sniply is different. The surprising truth is how it can drive traffic back to your site even when sharing third-party content, and you won't believe how effective it can be for conversions. Here's how it works. Sniply lets you create shortened links that include a small call to action overlay. When users click the link, they see the target content along with your custom CTA, such as a button for a newsletter sign-up or product page. This allows you to benefit from traffic even when curating external content. For example, a marketer sharing an article on social media can embed a CTA promoting their ebook or course. Most people get this wrong. They assume curated content won't help their own conversions, but Sniply turns every shared link into a lead-generating opportunity. Additional features include analytics to track clicks and conversions, a /B testing for CTA performance, and easy integration with social media and email campaigns. However, there are considerations. Free plans are limited in the number of links and clicks per month. Most people assume unlimited access. It's important to check the plan before scaling campaigns. Also, some users may find the overlay intrusive if overused. In conclusion, Sniply is ideal for marketers and content creators who want to maximize traffic and conversions from shared content. Its unique CTA integration and analytics make it a powerful addition to any content strategy. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of marketing tools and growth hacks.